Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Coding. Today we are going to solve problem in this video. Rotate image. So suppose if you have given any matrix and we have to rotate that matrix. So how to solve this problem? Here we have to follow two approach. First we have to transpose the matrix and then we have to reverse the value of the transpose matrix. In that way we will rotate the image. Let's see what is the problem exactly. So suppose we have given it n into n 2D matrix and rotate the image by 90 degree. So here it's given the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So after the rotating it will become the 7 4 1 8 5 2 and 9 6 3. Okay, so how it will look like if we transpose the matrix. Transpose matrix, row will become the column and column will become the row. In that way, we'll transpose the matrix. And suppose if you have given this column and row, it will become like J and I. So this is the way to transpose the matrix. Let's see. Here I have prepared the algo for that. So first we'll start our loop and we'll start the transposing the matrix. We will define the row and it will be start from I0 to n minus 1, and then our column will be j equal to I plus 1 to n minus 1. If you take I equal to 0, then it will be again reswap and our matrix will be the same. So we have to start from 0, j equal to I plus 1 to n minus 1, and then here we are swapping the value. Here we are matrix ij value with matrix ji. So this way we'll swap the value, and after that we have to reverse each row, and for that one we have to create two loop again, and then it will be I equal to 0 to n minus 1, and then we'll define one left pointer and right pointer, and we'll swap the value with I left equal to I right, and we have to increase left plus plus and right minus minus, and in that way we'll reverse the matrix. Let's start writing the code and we'll see again how it will be. Here we'll define the row. So row will be matrix dot length and integer column matrix 0 dot length. Now we start transposing the matrix. For transposing, we'll start integer I equal to 0 and I should be less than row and I plus plus. And in the second loop, we'll define j equal to I plus 1 and j is less than column j plus plus. Now we are transposing the value. So here we'll create one temp variable and it will put here matrix I j and matrix I j. In matrix I j will put the matrix j. And again we'll temp variable will assign in the matrix ji. So here we done the transpose of the matrix. Now let me create another loop for reverse the matrix. For integer I equal to 0, I less than row I plus plus, and here we define integer left equal to 0 and right equal to row minus 1. Row minus 1, and while we have to iterate till left is less than right. Now let me reverse the value. Integer temp equal to matrix I left matrix I left matrix. Here we'll assign the left value. In left value we'll assign the right value, and we created temp variable where we storing the matrix I of the left, and we'll assign it in the matrix of I right. And now we have to increase our left pointer and we have to decrease our right pointer. And let's, so here we are doing in place transpose, and we are doing reverse also. And let me run this code. Here we missed I. Let me write it. And here we have to define integer j, and you can see all the test cases passed and our code is successfully run it, and it's completed in 0 milliseconds and this is passed. So here we can see this is the given array, and here we getting the rotate of the image. So here we follow two approach. Suppose here we converted to transpose of the matrix, and then we have to reverse the each row. So in the using this two combined approach, we can rotate the image and we'll find the solution for that. And this solution will be O of n square, because we have to use two for loop and we are not creating any additional matrix. We are doing all calculation in place. So that is the approach to rotation of the image, and I hope it's clear for you and you can try to solve the problem from the matrix. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in the next video.